Types of shares. A share is a fraction of the share capital and forms the basis of ownership interest in a company. The persons who contribute their money through shares are referred to as shareholders. Any company can have two types of shares: preference shares and equity shares. Let's understand each of these in detail. Preference shares. Preference shares are the shares which carry a preferential right to receive dividend and to the repayment of capital on the winding up of the company before anything is paid to equity shareholders. Preference shares carry with them a right to receive a fixed percentage of dividends. For example, 12%. Preference shares indicate that dividend of 12% on face value will be paid at any condition. However, the right to receive dividend is subject to availability of profit. Let's understand the various types of preference shares. Number 1, cumulative preference share. In case of no dividend is declared in a year due to business expansion, and a management is decided, profits are used to open new branches, build factories, launch new products, etc. In such case, the right to receive such dividend for that year is carried forwarded to next year. Number 2, non-cumulative preference share. In case no dividend is declared in a year due to any reason, the right to receive such dividend for that year will expires. Number 3, redeemable preference shares. These are the shares that are issued on the condition that the company will redeem them and repay the face value of shares after the certain period. Number 4, non-redeemable preference shares. Preference shares that do not carry with them the arrangement regarding redemption. Currently, companies are not allowed to issue such shares. Number 5, convertible preference shares. These shares give the right to the shareholder to get them converted into equity shares, according to the terms and conditions of their issue. In real life, preference shares are not popular as they are entitled to fixed dividend and not surplus. Equity shares. Shares that entitle their holder to the whole of the profits earned by the company after a fixed dividend on preference shares that has been paid by it. Equity shareholders are the real owners of the companies. In case of public companies, equity shares may be listed on stock exchanges for trading. Equity shares are traded in huge volumes, and stock exchange is treated as a very important financial market. Thank you for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and leave your valuable advice below. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update, and share it with your friends.